On so weather picture for us today, we've had some showers moving into the region already. Cloud cover beginning to encroach upon the region, but at least for now, a couple of peaks of sunshine before we see that rain arrive. But right now, here's Austin live from our Lewiston Auto camera in Austin near Riverland College. And yeah, so far at least some sun, but again, we're seeing the clouds building in from the west. And so we're losing some of that sunshine today. Have mainly a gray day with the chance of showers, maybe a couple sprinkles this morning, but best chances for most of us lie ahead for the tail end of the day. 38 right now, fairly light southeast breeze. That's going to be picking up though as we move along through the day. It feels like 30 out there with that breeze. The winds by late morning, for instance, around 15 to 20 miles per hour. Afternoon may feature some gusts around 30 miles per hour. Temperatures right now way warmer than the past couple of days. I wouldn't call it mild or warm necessarily, but warmer because we're not below freezing and not anywhere close to the freezing mark. 38 right now, Rochester, Austin 41, 39 in Charles City. From here, we'll actually make it to around 60 degrees, even without much sunshine. There are some of those breaks in the clouds for the time being, but clouds filling in pretty quickly. A couple of brief light showers will come in from South Dakota, now moving into southwestern Minnesota. We'll have some of those in the area around 7 to 9 o'clock this morning or so. And then more widespread rain comes in up after about 3 or 4 o'clock with the possibility, maybe a little thunder, not much, but that will be the story later on. Severe weather risk way south of us. We're not worried about that here, but maybe some benign thunderstorms. A couple of those around 4 or 5 o'clock. Not too many, but brief light showers. A couple sprinkles this morning. Showers running into this dry air mass, so we're going to see maybe a little bit of that. We've seen the story though before where we've had rain running into dry air and it kind of ends up being sprinkles. We've had that already, but the atmosphere becomes more primed as we move along through the day as that system pulls in more moisture, and that sets the stage for better chances of rain, especially after about 4 or 5 o'clock. We see a large batch of rain coming in for especially the evening. That'll be the wettest stretch of day weather today and tonight. It'll be close to sunset and for the overnight period. Periods of rain throughout the night. Maybe even a couple of batches of light showers tomorrow. But showers, especially this afternoon and evening, a breezy day with gusts up to 30 miles per hour, about 60. Tomorrow, just a couple of showers, a little sun, and even behind the system, enough warmth coming in with that sunshine. We'll actually manage to see some low 70s, and by the time we get to the weekend, maybe a little more rain and a few more of those 70s. But 40 for the morning commute, a couple of sprinkles, skies clouding over with those southeast winds. Temperatures across the area, definitely an improvement. Now, that's what the cold stuff is still northeast of us. This is what we've been having the last couple of days. They're still dealing with that high pressure as it retreats to northeastern part of the continent. But 25 right now, Escanaba, Wausau 30, but we're in the 30s to 40s. And look at Sioux Falls, South Dakota, 51 right now. That's the kind of temperature we're going to have later tonight. A couple of sprinkles first thing this morning. More widespread rain after about 3 or 4 o'clock, maybe even a late day rumble of thunder. But 60 the high temperature, staying in the 50s tonight. So definitely a warmer stretch of weather in store. There are the clouds on future track. A couple of showers this morning. More widespread rain late afternoon and evening. And maybe just enough instability for 1 or 2 rumbles of thunder. Rain tonight, and then tomorrow we see at least a chance of a brief shower or two, but also a fair amount of sunshine. And a lighter breeze tomorrow behind the system, low 70s, and then heading into Friday, high pressure comes in for the west, makes for a bright and pleasant end of the week with temperatures approaching 70. The weekend features at least a couple of shower chances late Saturday and maybe first thing Sunday, otherwise surrounded by some sun and temperatures in low 70s. And it looks like next week maybe a little drier, but also quite a bit warmer. 60 at Rochester today, 64 at Austin. Showers, especially late in the day, and maybe even a late day rumble of thunder with gusty southeast winds. Winds at times up to 30 miles per hour. Tonight, some periods of light rain, a low of 50. One of the warmest nights of the season so far. The 7-day forecast, maybe a brief shower tomorrow morning and maybe a slight chance of redevelopment in the afternoon. Low 70s though tomorrow, and the weekend features at least some rain, especially Saturday afternoon and maybe very early Sunday. So not a total washout, but there will be rain chances there and some pretty mild temperatures.
Moving into the 80s by next week.
Yeah, big changes ahead.